Welcome to the future of programming. Meet ChatDev, intelligent agents working together. Ready to revolutionize digital life? Let's dive in. Now, there's three components you can set up here in ChatDev. We have the roles, phases, and ChatChain. Roles. In ChatDev, you can define different types of agents, from the boss and product managers to CTO and QA agents. Phases. Phases refer to specific tasks and stages in the project. For example, you might start with demand analysis, which involves finding the requirements and the scope. ChatChain. ChatChain allows you to string together different phases like demand analysis, coding, code reviews, tests, and documentation. Each phase will involve different AI agents. The default team that ChatDev provides is geared towards software development, capabilities, and delivering compact software like classic ping pong games, Flappy Bird, and calculators. Full customization. The beauty of ChatDev is its full customizability. As a content creator, you can create a content operation team that works for you 24/7, from idea generation and research to content writing. Scaling content operations with AI. Although AI is powerful for content generation, it's essential to be aware of its limitations. For this, I recommend a research paper conducted by HubSpot and Jasper that delivers into limitations and pitfalls of using AI in content creation. I'll leave a link below, and would like to thank AI Jason for the content and tutorial of this video. I'm just going to try to slow it down and simplify it because I had a hard time even doing it, and I can't imagine somebody else who has no coding skills. Alright guys, so here we have ChatDev. We're just going to go through. These would be, obviously you guys have heard of ChatGPT and AutoGPT. Now think of this as a bunch of AutoGPTs with specific roles and tasks working together towards a common goal. And obviously you can see like it built this ping pong game, which is pretty amazing. Alright guys, let's get started here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to clone this repository. Now I'm just going to download the file. So I'm just going to go here, code. There we go. Go to local. I'm going to download the zip. It should pop up here. Now, okay, so in here we're going to, I've already downloaded this obviously, but we're going to unzip this. Extract all. Okay, right? We've unzipped it right here. So you guys have to download Visual Code. We'll open up that. All right, so you're going to want to open up a new window, and then from here we're gonna grab that folder, and you can't see it here, so let's see if I go, yeah, grab that folder and you're gonna drag it in to here. Bop. Okay, perfect. So from here I'm just gonna go control funny thingy. No, you're gonna go up to the top here. Okay, yeah, trust folder, continue. Yes, trust. Close the welcome screen here. I'll show you how I did that. Terminal, new terminal. Okay, so from in here, so first thing we're gonna do is, well, instead of cloning it, we just downloaded it and unzipped it. We're gonna copy this, bring it back, and come back over to here. We're gonna paste that in and let that load here. Probably take a minute to load all the dependencies, retrieving notices, working, collecting packages and metadata. So this will take probably a minute here. Solving environment, preparing transaction, done, verifying transaction, done, executing transaction. Oh, my big head's in the way. Let's see. There, it's a little better. It's a little blurry. That's better. I'm loading on the computer. Now I'm here for the music, waiting for the download to come my way. Activate this environment. Use conda active ball rolling. Okay, that's parts done. Now let's go back over to here, And we're gonna go install dependencies, move into the ChatDev directory, and install the necessary dependencies. Okay, so we need to go into proper folder, and then install the pip3 thing. It's annoying why it won't like flip back and forth. Like, okay, so cd ChatDev, and then pip that. And then that should install the proper requirements. Or no, see, that's the wrong folder. Okay, so we're gonna go cd, and we're gonna do it in this one. And if that doesn't work, we'll go back one, and we'll do it in the other one. You can obviously see I'm a pro. See, there we go, selecting that. So that's what you wanna see. And ba-da-ba-ba-ba. So collecting all the proper dependencies, loading, click cache, using that to do, and then we'll get some loading things, downloading pi2, pi3, collecting using that. So yeah, install all the proper requirements: Flask, AIO, HTTP, rope, OpenAI, Markdown, pre-commit, tick token. Does anyone know what tick token is? It doesn't have anything to do with TikTok, eh? Markup safe. Okay, dang. It's like this is taking a long time to load, but I also like have like 4 monitors and a mic and running this OBS and oh, all kinds of stuff. Okay, next step. Again, I'll bring my screen over. Okay, so let's see. I can't see. Yeah, and then we're gonna hook up our API key, guys. So we're gonna go over here to API key, OpenAI. Come in here, rolling, rolling, keep on rolling, rolling, rolling. Dude, such a good song, yeah. Okay, API. Come over here to view API keys. Man, I swear to gosh, your billing was, it's hilarious because like I canceled it and then they like charged me and then, but they wouldn't let me use it. So I have another one that's good. I don't know if I should probably just play it safe, right? I gotta go into another window. Okay, so let's see. Rolling. See if I can show you. Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm signed in at a different one, and I have money on there. It should cost, I'm guessing, 20 cents to do, which is like, you know, pretty decent. Okay, so we're gonna come over here. No, API key. And I'm going to generate another one. We're gonna go ChatDev, create that. Copy that bad boy. Okay, this is really frustrating having to switch my screens over. If anybody knows how there's a way for it just to follow whatever screen I'm on, like, please let me know. Okay, so I'm gonna just kind of do that. And then if you're using Windows, it's gonna be this one, the ENV. If you're using Mac, you can use this one. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna copy, paste, copy, paste, control, copy. Okay, and then come back over to here. I'm going to paste this in, and that looks good. And then back over to here, and then we're going to go Python, right? Copy that. I'm actually just going to put it up here, paste, and we're going to go. So I'm going to say build a snake game. We're just going to call this snake. And we can copy this. We're going to come back over to here. And we're going to paste this right here. And this is probably going to take a minute to do. But yeah, I hope I did everything right there. Okay, looking good. And you can see like it's actually, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the part I got to last time, and if your API key doesn't work, it won't get past that. So that looks good. You want to see it working. So yeah, like it's assigning a role, it's talking to one another, it's saying build me a snake game. Let's see, build me a snake game. Ideas. We have decided to complete the task through executable software implemented via programming language. This is the bots talking to each other. The Chief Technology Officer. You are the Chief Executive Officer. Now we are both working at ChatDev and we share a common interest in collaborating successfully. You'll start with the main file, like it's telling it what to do. You'll start with the main file, then go to one that are imported by the file, and so on. Please note that the code should be fully functional. Ensure to implement all functions, no placeholders. So once it's done here, on the left, it will get saved in this folder here, and it will just be under snake. I'm pretty sure, yeah, there we go. You should see the files being created in there. But yeah, we'll give this a minute to load and come back in 5-10 minutes. Okay, there we go. We got some loading going on. There's some code. This is so, all right, and then, okay, that's the first phase. And then it's probably gonna say, okay, now we have to go back and check this. Now that you've checked the above regulations one by one and reviewing the code in detail, propose one comment with the highest priority about the codes and give me instructions on how to fix. Obviously you can see, like, you could create me a game and then just like go out and do some fun stuff, come back in like 15 minutes, bloop, the game's created. And now this is simple games, like this is simple games, right? Like ping pong or the snake game, but like wait till it's like complex games, like full 3D interactive games. It's crazy. And for like $1, cost you a couple bucks to do that. See, you can see right here, it gave back some comments on the code. The highest priority comment is that the snake class is defined in both main.py and snake.py. This creates redundancy and can lead to confusion and potential bugs. To fix this, we should remove the snake class from the main.py and import it from snake.py instead. Here are the steps to fix the issue. Remove the snake class from main.py. Import the snake class from snake.py. Save the changes. See, that was the thing with AutoGPT before. It was like you would ask it to do something and then it would just run continuously, you know, and then it's like there was like never a point where it'd end, and then now it can end, have another AutoGPT analyze that and say, okay, fix this, and then it comes back, done, analyze, oh no, it's not up to date, or it's not what's the word, it's not what you were looking for. So obviously it goes back and it does it until it meets the requirements. Whereas before it would just kind of go forever until you like ran out of money on your OpenAI account. Yeah, okay, boom. Looks like it's loading some more code on here. And you can see we had some, okay, so that time costed 2 cents. Now it will assess, go back as a code reviewer to make the software. Yeah, like there's some code that it edited. You can see right here that round costed 2 cents, and it will go and then it says here, if the codes are perfect and you have no comments, then just say perfect. So it's gonna go back and review it, and analyze it, give the steps to fix it. Oh, here we go. Some loading things happening. Some more stuff. We got this going. Add code reviewer. All methods should be implemented. All methods need to have necessary comments. No potential bugs. The entire project conforms to the task proposed by the user. Code reviewer. And we loading the program. Begin. All right, comments. The code is missing the import statements for the Pygame module in main.py file. This will cause an error when trying to use Pygame function and classes. Pygame, that's actually a very interesting module. I was reading, it was saying that it has like all the different components, like kind of the buttons and I think it was. Oh, here we go. Got some code loading. All right, that one was 6 cents. And I think that's probably the last one, or there might be one more. Write requirements to specify defense. As a programmer, you should write a requirement.txt file, which is commonly used in Python projects to specify the dependencies or packages required. Okay, we got more loading as programmers according to the code and file format listed above. Okay, we got more loading here. Seminar conclusion. Oh, I think this is the final piece. Oh, this looks good. End-to-end example. Oh, very cool. Large language models are emerging as a transformative technology, enabling developers to build applications that they previously could not. However, using these LLMs in isolation is often insufficient for creating a truly powerful app. The real power comes from when you combine them with other sources of computation or knowledge. This library aims to assist in the development of those types of applications. Common examples of these applications include question answering over specific documents, documentation, end-to-end examples, question answering over Notion database. Ooh, yeah, if you guys haven't heard of Notion, it's actually really cool for taking notes and stuff. I've been kind of delving in that. Okay, yeah, okay, we got some, look at that. Congratulations, you have successfully installed. Look at that, all these files coming over here. Boom, boom, boom. Manual, the meta test, and it's ended. Okay, so this cost a total of I think like 20 cents. Yeah, I can't remember what it was before, but I'm pretty sure it went down by 1 cent. No, that must have just been some final stuff. Okay, so let's check this out. Rolling. Okay, now to play the game, we're gonna just come into this folder. I'm gonna go copy relevant path. Yeah, and then we're gonna go Python. Can't spell here. Python main.py. And no, I have it in the wrong thing. And then let's go. Let's try this. Okay, now let's try Python main.py. Oh, did it work? Hello from the Python. Oh, look at that. Oh, it ended. Okay. Python main.py. Oh. Let's see if we're a little quicker this time. The thing is, where's there should be like a scoreboard and something to eat. Well, that's funny. Anyways, you can see how it would be pretty cool if it worked like that. Okay, let me see if I can figure out. Okay, so Python main.py. See if this one is normal. Hello, keep on turning. Whoa. So this is the one I created yesterday. So let's just see. This one's like way too fast. Look at how fast it goes as soon as it turns on. I'm gonna try to go. Yo, what the hell happened? Okay. It's like nothing wants to work the first time. Okay, there it went. Okay, let's try it one more time. Try to be quick. Come on. Open. Oh, I went down. Yo. So now I gotta figure out how you can make comments back to go change this. And then I will show you how to do a content creator. So that's how to create a game. Now, obviously you can see how valuable this can be. Like, create a snake game. All right. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to create an even better one. So this one's like Agent GPT. So the next one's AutoGen, and you can actually right on command get feedback, add in stuff, add in scoreboard, or add in other stuff like that. So yeah, guys, this stuff's just getting so interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please follow, like, and subscribe. And yeah, check a comment below if you'd like to see anything created here with these new auto agents and stuff. Again, shout out to AI Jason for these tutorials. I'm just trying to slow him down a bit. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. Got some cool stuff in store, so please stick around, and we're gonna keep coming out until we have our own Jarvis. Okay, guys, I totally messed up here. For this part, for the Python run, we're gonna do classic snake game. Not build a snake game. So I'm gonna run this through again. It's gonna be the same kind of stuff, take the same amount of time, but the result should be way better. So it's gonna be fun. Probably because I already called it snake. There you go. Let's call this classic snake. And no. File line in module blah blah. Of course nothing wants to work. Okay. Okay, so it's saying that a Python module is missing. So it said to just do this. It's so weird. I don't understand how how a module would just go missing. Maybe because I exited out and opened up a new kind of project. Okay, collecting. Okay, successfully installed. So let's try this again. Come on, please work. Please work. Please work so that everyone watching can. All right, guys, this looks good. So I'm gonna come back in about 10 minutes and we'll see if the game turned out better this time. All right, I can even see here on the side here, food. That's its own file. So if I run this, and let's just get my head out of the way. If I run this here, so if I just go into CD warehouse and then CD snake, yo. CD snake game, and then Python main.py. Oh, beautiful. Now how do I get it to show you? I'm gonna try. Man, how the heck do other people do it? Okay, you can see it. Now how do I restart it? Okay. Now if I restart it, will it show up here? Okay, come on. Okay, it actually might, so. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. You got a game. So yeah, make sure to put in classic snake game, not build a snake game, as that will just waste a bunch of time and give you a result that you will not be happy with. All right, we can actually check out a demo of this snake game right here. So we just go Python online _log-app.py. Click enter there, and it will give us this HTTP. Control click, and now bring open this web page. We're gonna go chat replay. And then we're going to come down here to the left, click File Upload, and then we're going to come into our folder, come into Warehouse, come down to the snake game, and we're going to click on this file right here, open it up, click Replay, and you'll see the Chief Executive Officer right here chatting, explaining what she wants us to do. Now we have the Chief Technology Officer down here replying, and yeah, it's pretty interesting to watch them chat back and forth and create a full project, giving each other feedback. It's like Pokemon, except for real this time. But yeah, and then yes, version updates, number of code files, lines of code written, number of self-reflections, and the total amount that it costs. Alright guys, in the next video I'm going to show you how to turn this into a content creator, and after that I have an even juicier one where you can give feedback to something like this. So the problem with this is once it's ended, you can't really give it much feedback to say like add a scoreboard or, you know, maybe change the colors and stuff. But with this new one I'm going to show you, you can give it feedback and it makes this one look like not as, you know, like a little bee. Alright guys, please follow, like, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for cool games I should create on here, please drop a comment below. And let's keep pushing on. Peace.